in Shanghai, then dismantled and reassembled here in Dunedin. The rock was also brought in from China. As we pass the garden, just look over to the right, you see the entrance gate, high low.
Here's Mark. We're on the Dunedin Railway Station. On the railroad, rather, not the railway station, the railroad. Okay, and let's see what we're going to see from this train. We're going to a gorge. We'll be seeing that. Fitness and other sorts of businesses here.
Now to the right rear of the train, you see those houses up there on the hillside. That is the suburb of City Rise and also the town built. Dunedin was built on the gold rushes of 1863, and if you had money during the 1880s, you'd be living up there in your magnificent Victorian villa or Georgian mansion. The rest of us will be living over here on the flat. And this is South Dunedin, light industrial, shopping and housing. As we travel over the next overpass, to the left you see the main shopping street of South Dunedin, King Edward Street. And next on the left we have the Hillside Railway Workshops, originally founded in 1901, now being completely modernised. In the days of steam, Hillside built many of the steam engines used in the South Island.
Here we are on the other side of the station.
And this little industrial park we see down to the left here was once the Carisbrook Rugby Stadium, Otago Rugby headquarters, replaced by the new stadium at the other end of town. Back in the day, Carisbrook was known as the House of Pain because most of the visiting rugby teams that played here lost.
Yes, rugby is.
And the nearest suburb we see on the left-hand side is the suburb of Caversham, with the beach suburbs of St Clair, St Kilda in the distance. 160 years ago, much of the flat land out to the left was swampy marshland, reclaimed to farmland and Chinese market gardens. Later, Caversham comprised of Victorian villas and workers' cottages dating back to the 1860s. Many of these houses are still in existence. Now we're approaching the Caversham Tunnel, the first of 8 that we'll travel on today. Caversham Tunnel is 1.5 kilometres long. We'll travel through 2 tunnels on the main trunk line and 6 tunnels on the Taieri Gorge branch line.
As we take you all over to Dunedin, the rest of the museum area, Salmon.